I don't know if you guys can tell within the video, but the leaves are inward. And just checked with the weather earlier, and we have a tornado watch, 98-mile-hour wind, straight line wind predicted, and severe storms. Well, I kind of laughed it off because they've gotten it wrong so many times. Well, I think I want to listen to my tree before anything else because the leaves are inward. And usually when the leaves are inward like that, that means heavy rain, severe storms, and high winds. So I think I might listen to the tree before I listen to the weather, man. But I don't know if you guys can tell. Yeah. Anyways. Huh. That's a pretty old tree. Everybody that's in central Kansas and Missouri and Nebraska, be careful. Bye.